Now it is time to give you a tour of this Airbnb that is the most deserving of its name, Treehouse. Let's go. We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More, a young married couple and future van lifers bringing you Airbnbs and adventures. In this video, we explore the Raven Rock Treehouse in Fletcher, North Carolina. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all the fun. So we actually got here last night and just decided to enjoy our stay because there was a rainstorm that came through and it was kind of hard to film, and we just watched the sunset, but let's go. Before we go up the spiral staircase, there are a few amenities this way, so let me show you. They have this ginormous fire pit area that you can burn a very large fire in and sit and enjoy on this massive rock. So you've got a bench and a table. They also have a grill over there, so if you want to bring some yummy food to grill up, you definitely can. And that's it for down here. The coolest part about this treehouse is you have a spiral staircase that wraps around this massive tree, bringing you 50 feet in the air to your treehouse. Come on. Still going. So before you even get into the treehouse, you have this gorgeous view out the front door, and you can see that you are just sitting in the branches of this massive tree. And then for the best part, the inside of this treehouse. So starting over here, there's this shelf that's got everything that you need for your stay, including utensils, mug, charging station, lamp because there's no lights in here, a French press, and then some pots and pans. They also have some recommended hikes right here for you in the area, which we might try to do one today. We'll see. Then there's a queen bed for you to sleep on. You do have to bring your own sheets, but it's very cozy and quaint in this little nook. There's also this live branch coming out of here that even has some leaves growing on it. It is so cool. And it just goes right out the roof. And then over this way, you've got your couch, seating, living area for you to hang out in, and this couch is so comfortable. We have thoroughly enjoyed it. A wood burning stove to keep you warm in the winter months, and there is no air conditioning in here. However, there is plenty of windows to open for ventilation that you stay cool even in the summer. This place is also decorated with little touches all over the place that just makes it feel even more off-grid. And now our favorite part, this glass window garage door opens all the way up. And you can come out onto this deck that has incredible mountain views. Right here is your little bar area that you can eat some food at, lounge chairs to enjoy the view and maybe the stars at night. Then right here is your outdoor kitchen where you've got burner, plenty of water, a sink basin, and then you also have what they call a luggable loo. So basically it's a little bucket that you can go number one in and then clean out with some simple green. And then if you're wondering where the bathroom is, if you have to go number two or you don't want to pee in the bucket, there's a porta potty right down there. So just plan to go all the way down the stairs and come all the way back up. And that is the tour of this incredible treehouse 50 feet in the air. We have absolutely loved it. We've seen sunset and clouds. Clouds have come through here and past. You can see mountains for miles. Like, this spot is truly incredible.
Unfortunately, the video just does not do this place justice. It is a surreal experience, and really being this far up, looking down like 4 or 5 stories, this is definitely a true treehouse.
Yeah.
Nikki and I are about to head out and go do the Bear Wallow Mountain Trail, which is really close to this treehouse. The host recommended it. We're gonna go and take in some amazing views.
I'm excited excited.
Let's do it. So it's a 1 mile trail to the top. Apparently it's beautiful views. It's also a working farm. So there's actually cows on top. Let's go. That is breathtaking. You like the little baby?
The little baby is so cute. Pretty good hike, but my shoulders are burnt and I'm ready to go fill my belly.
Yes.
We are here at 12 Bone Smokehouse and we just got our food and it looks amazing.
That is really good corn pudding.
Wow.
That was good. It was probably one of the best barbecue restaurants I've ever been to. Yeah. So this is definitely a spot you should come to if you stay at the Raven Rock Treehouse. Yes. You ready? Ooh, beautiful. I've probably had these for like 15 years.
Really?
Yeah. What are you doing?
There's some aloe on my very burnt shoulders. I got them good.
Yeah, you did.
So the hosts recommend that we read the story, The Deadly Art of Non-Living, on page 179. So Hayden and I are going to do that together. One tall, cold day last winter, I thought
This was a fantastic book, A Touch of Wonder by Arthur Gordon. Highly recommend. Man, waking up above the clouds both mornings is the best. Now it's time to wake up the wife.
Oh my God.
Good morning. It all looks delicious, except for the syrup.
I didn't have another closing bottle.
That just looks disgusting. It looks like the medicine that your parents make you take.
It's inventive is what I would call it.
No, it's pretty smart, but it's still gross looking. This treehouse is absolutely incredible. Doug has done a fantastic job building this structure. I believe it was either his nephew or his son who was an engineer. And so there was actually a lot more to this than just building a treehouse. And obviously, sitting at 50 feet up in the tops of trees, you would have to have an engineer to put something together like this. They also have another cabin. It's the cabin on the rock, and it looks amazing. We can't wait to come back and stay there. And then he's currently building another cabin just up the hill here from the treehouse that looks beautiful. It's got the largest post I've ever seen on the front porch. It's such a cool design, so we can't wait for that to be finished either. But now for the worst part, as always, we gotta go. This was an incredible experience, very similar to our stay in the MOG in Birmingham, Alabama. So be sure to go check out that video too. It's another off-grid adventure. But if you want to stay here, we'll leave a link in the description below. That way you can go check it out yourself. Definitely come and stay here at the Raven Rock Treehouse.
And come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time.
Here we go. Whoa. This amazing place. Woo.
Easy there, Bubba.
Try it.
Hello.
Am I going to?
I could hear your little footsteps.
Yeah. We're gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too. But you still have to make Journey more because everybody loves Journey more.
Bye. Love you.
Bye, love you.